This video will walk you through the steps needed to install the Pico cooler device on a Cool Blue cooler. First, you will need a mounting kit that will allow you to mount the device to the cooler. Power down the cooler before installing the hardware. Next, remove the plug from the right side of the glass door next to the handle. When the plug is removed, you will see two wires. The first is for power, and the second is for the antenna. And the antenna is only needed for cellular activity. If you are using a cellular SIM connection, be sure to install the SIM card before installing the Pico. The SIM should go into SIM slot 1 on the back of the Pico device. Next, take the plastic housing and mount the Pico device with the 4 supplied screws and the scanner housing with supplied nut and bolt. Connect the supplied power harness and the antenna to the Pico cooler device. Connect the harness to the cooler. Route the wires down towards the handle in the cutout channels. Place the cover on the back, making sure not to pinch the wires. Install the 6 supplied screws. The wires should run between the bottom 2 mounting holes in the cutout groove of the plastic housing. Attach the Velcro to the outer edge on the back side of the plastic housing. Next, take the plastic housing and lay it over the right side of the door over the handle, fitting into the existing door handle. Press the housing firmly to the glass. Install the Pico housing onto the cooler door using the supplied 4 machine screws. Tighten the 4 screws on the side of the glass door snugly. Finally, install the antenna connection to the top of the cooler if using cellular, and place the antenna. The installation of the Pico cooler is now complete. Power up your Cool Blue cooler and the Pico cooler device.